Welcome to Bella Collina. This truly is a one-of-a-kind community. If you're looking for the perfect blend of luxury living, breathtaking natural beauty, and a peaceful retreat, Bella Collina has it all. You're going to love what this place has to offer. The community is located in Montverde, Florida, which is in Lake County, about 35 minutes from downtown Orlando, the Orlando International Airport, and the theme parks, Disney and Universal Studios. Bella Collina is one of the most exclusive lakefront and golf communities in Florida, and it's not hard to see why. What makes this place stand out isn't just the stunning views, it's the lifestyle here. You have a private 24-hour guard-gated entry. Residents can enjoy golfing, tennis courts, fitness center. You have restaurants, clubhouse. There's plenty to enjoy here. And let's not forget the nature trails, lakes, and community events held throughout the year. Today we are showcasing one of our beautiful listings located right here in Bella Collina. This is 15939 Veta Drive, 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 3,056 square feet, priced at $1,389,000. Let's go take a look. Before I show you the inside of the home, I wanted to take a moment to show you the exterior. So as you're coming into your driveway, you have the beautiful pavers, your own mailbox. You come up to this home that is Mediterranean architecture with the stone, lush landscaping. You have the mature trees, which makes this even more inviting. So as you're coming into the foyer, you have these beautiful 20-foot high ceilings that give an extra element of drama and openness. You have this gorgeous chandelier. Let's go into the kitchen area, because as you're walking through, it's a seamless entry for the kitchen and the family room, which is an open floor plan. The kitchen features this beautiful granite countertop, and then you have your gold features. This is an instant hot water dispenser. It's perfect if you're getting a nice hot cup of tea right here. Let's move over to the refrigerator, Sub-Zero, with your integrated matching doors, your gold hardware. Walking over here, you have your gold pot filler, and this is a Bertazzoni Italian design gas cooktop and oven, and then you have your custom hood that matches along with it. Right here you have your Wi-Fi built-in controlled microwave. You have plenty of counter space here, and there's an additional section we're going to show you that has upper and lower cabinets, granite countertop with a sink, and then you have your wine fridge there and your coffee bar. So that is the kitchen area, and what I love is that it opens up into this massive family room here. This is great for entertaining guests. You have family gatherings. It really makes this very inviting. The primary bedroom is on the main floor. It's spacious, and you have this view here. This will open up into a private gazebo for this primary bedroom. You could see views of the pool and the golf course. You have the plantation shutters. Okay, so we have the his and her closets. They have custom cabinets. All the closets in this home have custom cabinetry. We're gonna move through the primary bathroom where you have your shower, and that is going to have 2 shower heads, one being a rain shower, your freestanding tub. You have this massive vanity that has double sinks, plenty of cabinet space. The mirror is actually the full length of the vanity, and you have plenty of natural light coming through. So we're still on the main floor. As you're coming from your family room into this beautiful outdoor oasis, you can open up the sliders. You have a half bath that can be accessed from the inside and exterior, perfect for guests. Moving through, we have the outdoor kitchen. So you have your fridge, you have your margarita section here. You can cut your limes and lemons for the garnishes for drinks. You have plenty of cabinet storage there. This grill is 45 inches, and in there is a rotisserie that's automatic and works. And then of course you have the hood over the range. The heated pool includes a hot tub, a spa, sun shelf with a built-in umbrella holder. There is a system where you can control the jets, temperature, lights, and more right from your phone, or even run it on your schedule. The lanai has motorized retractable screens. The landscape offers these stunning views. You have a professional irrigation, extra drainage, and easy to maintain artificial turf. Now we'll be moving up to the upstairs. So down here you had on your main floor the primary bedroom, and you also had an additional room that right now is being used as an office, but all the rooms in the home have their own ensuite. So you have an extra bedroom downstairs with an extra bathroom, and then you have the half bath. Moving upstairs to the secondary bedrooms, you have 2 additional rooms with their en-suites, all built-in custom cabinets in the closets, walk-in closets. The home is just the beginning. Now, living here in Bella Collina is not like living anywhere else. You can enjoy this beautiful 75,000 square foot clubhouse, which has just about everything that you need. There's a world-class fitness center where it makes working out fun. You get to enjoy different classes. You could take a yoga class. You could take a tennis lesson. There's also pickleball courts. There's so much to enjoy here. As an additional incentive, the sellers are going to contribute $40,000 towards the Bella Collina sports membership. The amenities here are next level. You have this European vibe that makes you feel like you're not in Florida, this world-class spa, which is one of my favorites, and you get to go to the resort-style swimming pool. There's food you can order there, drinks, a cabana that you can also rent. You're enjoying all the views that are around you, and don't forget the 18-hole championship golf course you could do a round with your friends. There's 2 different restaurants here which you can enjoy. You have Cucina, which is the members only restaurant, and then there's the 19th Hole Grill, which is a little more casual, but if you're doing a round of golf or you want to enjoy an afternoon lunch, it's a great place. Thank you all for joining us as we tour this private home. If you or anyone you know may be interested in this listing, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you again. Hit that like button, subscribe button, and have a great day.